You're 40 episodes into a C-drama, and you have no honest idea how many are left. That's the question, isn't it? Not what you've watched, but how much is still ahead of you, and whether you can finish it before the next thing starts. The C-drama and Donghua tracker works that out for you in one file you own. It starts on the Shows tab, one row per series with the things worth remembering. The title, whether it's a live-action drama or Donghua, the genre, the platform, and where you're up to. 3 columns do the real work: how many episodes it has, how many you've seen, and how long an episode runs. Fill those 3, and the workbook computes your progress and the hours you have left. Which brings you to Up Next. Every series you're actively watching ranked by how few hours are left, so the row at the top is the one you could finish soonest. There's nothing to type here. It reads straight from your catalog, and the moment you update an episode count, it reorders itself. At the bottom, it totals the hours across everything you're watching. The dashboard counts your watching life back to you. Series tracked, completed, and watching now. Episodes and hours watched. Your top genres, ranked by what you actually watched rather than what you'd claim. And your own top 5, sitting beside the critics' top 5. Every number reads live from the other tabs. And then there's the part nobody else gives you. Wuxia and xianxia are not the same thing. Xuanhuan is neither. And a streaming app will happily file all 3 under fantasy and leave you to work it out. So the workbook includes a genre guide. 10 genres, each with the Chinese, what marks it out, and the one question that tells you which you're really watching. Plus a glossary of the words the subtitles never stop to explain. Rate what you've finished across 5 lanes: story, cast, visuals, music, and pacing. The workbook averages them into your own score. Log what the critics said from Douban, My Drama List, or anywhere else. And it turns each score into a percent and shows the average beside yours. The gap between those 2 columns is the most useful thing you'll learn about your own taste. You get the 7-tab workbook, which opens in Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice, plus a one-click make a copy link if Sheets is your home. There's a Start Here guide that teaches the method in about 5 minutes, a printable genre reference, and a print and fill watch list for the days you'd rather hold a pen. And it's yours. No account, no subscription, and no app deciding what to show you. Just a file you keep on your own computer or in your own drive that will still open in 10 years, long after a platform has quietly dropped the series you were halfway through. Stop guessing how much is left. It's an instant download from Ardent Workshop.